Yun yung disadvantage pag pa-wave yung block.
There's a chance you could miss it. Marzan puts this one up for Bombita. Bombita just. Cream9 goes and chooses Risa. They go up this time to combination play.
Erica Staunton getting to win the third set.
Serve coming from Baliton. Oops, miscue coming from the Cool Smashers. A miscue also from Galleries. Off speed coming from Chulim. They go up to Pons, who hits that across. On the other side, Bacchus! Single block, Bernadette Pons! Starring the ball game!
Entertained. Yun ang importante.
Are you not? Ang hirap mo naman i-please. Hindi ka ma-entertain, Neil. Look at that!
Everybody's enjoying.
Oh, that's gonna be another tight
We'll be
game.
facing the PLDT high-speed hitters in our last match of our triple header.
This is the 17th that block of the ball game. Now, Creamline will get the advantage. Sets pa lang pinag-uusapan natin dito, ha? Hindi pa game. Oh, nice! For the lone server.